What's up, guys? It's Dave. Yeah, like I said, I don't do food reviews, but this is my second one. That's my kid in the back there. She yeah, you happy? You happy? Anyways, I can't believe I'm doing this. Dollar tacos at Burger King. I mean, it looks like a taco. I mean, just all right, let's get into it. It's not even hot. Like heat-wise, like cold. Man, Burger King, I only paid 50 cents for that. That's nasty. That's nasty. I mean, it's got a crunch in it, but all this is like, I mean, it's just, I mean, oh, I'm dropping, oh. Uh-oh. I mean, just look at that. That's just, I mean, Burger King, I can't. I can't. So, yeah. I mean, I'll give it one more. Hold on. Yeah, Nope. 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 That's trash. That's trashier than my ex-girlfriend's ex-boyfriend. That's nasty. Yeah, I went there. Like, it just, oh my God. I've had better tacos, dollar tacos, I like taco trucks. They're like, you know, you go out there, you think you just look at it wrong, you're gonna get salmonella. No, that's nasty. Burger King, ugh. Did me wrong, Burger King. All right, guys. Like I said, you want to keep seeing these? Let me know. I mean, I'm still gonna do the cartoon stuff right now. I'm in between houses, moving stuff out, so the studio's not really there anymore. I wanted to try to at least get one more in, but I'm not gonna have time with moving and stuff. So I apologize to you guys, but at least I'm keeping up, you know, with a food review. So if you like food reviews, let me know. All right, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Later.